The Klein Tools ET600 Multimeter is a versatile tool designed for insulation resistance testing, capable of handling voltages from 125 to 1000 volts. This multimeter is equipped with true root mean square technology, ensuring accurate and reliable measurements for both alternating current and direct current voltages. Safety is a priority with this device, as it includes a warning alarm and high voltage icon to alert users during electrical testing. The user-friendly design features a backlit display with a bar graph and various icons, enhancing both usability and readability in different lighting conditions. This device offers a convenient lock function and built-in stand, allowing for hands-free operation and efficient electrical diagnostics. Klein Tools, with over 160 years of experience, brings quality craftsmanship and durability to the ET600, making it a trusted choice for professionals.